Today, lead series of Bravo Company is practicing the rifle range. Today's pre-qual day, it's Thursday, and tomorrow we go qualify for recruit training.
Mostly the 5-point check is always there. It's hard to master, but once you do, you can really see the pinpoint accuracy it'll give you when you get that perfect stance and good trigger discipline and breathing control.
This recruit knows that there are some moments where you're going to feel unsteady, that you're going to be nervous about what the coaches are saying, and you're going to feel like you know better. This recruit's been shooting for like 10 years. Just listen to the coaches. You're going to make a lot of mistakes, maybe not. But if you do end up making a lot of mistakes, keep making them because it's only going to make you better.